Looking for a GoHighLevel free trial? If so, I've got everything you need linked below this video to help you get started. One of the biggest advantages of trying GoHighLevel first is that you can see how it fits your business before making a long-term commitment. Instead of wondering whether the platform is right for you, you can actually build with it, test its features, and see how it performs in real-world use. Once you've created your account, I'd recommend exploring the tools you're most likely to use first, whether that's the CRM, funnel builder, websites, automation workflows, calendars, or email marketing. Spending time with the features you care about most will give you the best idea of what the platform can do. Signing up is quick and only takes a few minutes. Simply use the link in the description or pinned comment, enter your details, and complete the setup process. From there, you'll be ready to start using GoHighLevel straight away. I've also included a few exclusive bonus resources for anyone who signs up through that link. You can find the complete list in the description below. So if you've been searching for a GoHighLevel free trial, click the link below, activate your account, and start exploring everything the platform has to offer today.